Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Denture Fit Kit is probably one of the most transformative products for denture wearers, offering a comfortable and secure fit that significantly improves daily life. In this video, we will deep dive into this amazing product and explore its features, benefits, and overall value, helping you determine if it's the right solution for your denture needs. Number 5. Dentemp Reline-It Denture Kit. Are your dentures loose and uncomfortable? This easy-to-use kit will help you refit them quickly and easily, restoring comfort and confidence. It uses an advanced formula designed for a comfortable, custom fit. Say goodbye to irritating adhesives and hello to a secure feeling. It's perfect for both upper and lower dentures. This versatile kit provides a snug fit, no matter which you need to adjust. You can achieve a temporary refit in just minutes. Simply follow the easy instructions for a comfortable, secure fit. It provides long-lasting comfort and a secure fit. Get back to smiling and enjoying life with confidence. This kit is incredibly easy to use. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a perfect fit and renewed confidence in your smile. What we like? This product uses an advanced formula for a comfortable fit. It's easy to apply, making it perfect for those who want a quick fix for loose dentures. If you need a temporary solution and value ease of use, this is a great option. What people say. Follow the directions, and the individual stated it was less expensive than a realignment at the dentist and it works as well or better than the expensive one at the dentist. He said it was better than what the dental office did, so I like to keep a pack or two on hand for whenever he feels he to readjust his dentures. It is a cushion, not an adhesive. And man, does it feel good. Soft as can be, but gives me a stable fit. I can eat anything I want now without feeling like I have sand under my partial or it rocks from one side to another. Number 4. Dentemp Reline-It Denture Kit. Are your dentures feeling loose and uncomfortable? This easy-to-use kit will help you get a comfortable, secure fit again, so you can smile with confidence. It's made with an advanced formula for a custom fit that feels natural. It's soft yet firm, providing long-lasting comfort and stability. This versatile kit works for both upper and lower dentures. It's a simple solution for a more secure and comfortable fit. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have a perfect fit in minutes. It's so easy, anyone can do it. Provides temporary refitting of your dentures, giving you long-lasting comfort. It eliminates the need for messy adhesives. We're committed to providing you with safe, high-quality dental care products. We stand behind our products and strive for the best customer experience. What we like? Get multiple applications with this kit, ensuring long-lasting comfort and stability. It's a cost-effective solution compared to single-use kits. If you're looking for a long-term solution that saves you money, this is the one for you. What people say. Follow the directions, and the individual stated it was less expensive than a realignment at the dentist and it works as well or better than the expensive one at the dentist. He said it was better than what the dental office did, so I like to keep a pack or two on hand for whenever he feels he to readjust his dentures. It is a cushion, not an adhesive. And man, does it feel good. Soft as can be, but gives me a stable fit. I can eat anything I want now without feeling like I have sand under my partial or it rocks from one side to another. Number 3. Perma Soft Denture Reliner. Are your dentures loose and uncomfortable? It's time for a simple solution that provides a comfortable fit and eliminates the need for adhesives. This easy-to-use kit relines the inside of dentures, providing a secure and comfortable fit. Say goodbye to irritating slippage and hello to confidence. It's a simple, at-home process. You can easily reline your upper and lower dentures for a perfect fit. This semi-soft liner creates a comfortable cushion between your gums and dentures, keeping them snug and secure all day long. No more messy adhesives. Enjoy a long-lasting, comfortable fit with this durable Reline kit. It's the perfect solution for loose dentures. This kit helps you eliminate the need for denture adhesives, providing a more natural and comfortable feel. It's a simple, effective solution. What we like? This semi-soft liner provides a comfortable fit for your dentures. It's a DIY kit, allowing you to easily reline your dentures at home. If you prioritize comfort and enjoy DIY projects, this kit is for you. What people say. My lower denture finally fits correctly. This product is easy to use and to trim after applying. This product is absolutely amazing. Easy to use. Very durable. And last a long time. I have severe bone loss, and this is the only soft liner that I've ever used that actually works. I can eat whatever I want with this product applied to both of the plates. I purchased this kit due to its lengthy lasting time frame. The material was easy to mix and I thought the instructions were clear and found it easy to reline my lower and upper dentures. When the material is still soft and you place it in your mouth to form the fit, I can honestly say it was the worst taste I ever experienced, which made it almost painful to wait out the firming time. Afterwards, the dentures are soaked in water and I had hoped being that the material was now firm and had been at water that the taste would have subsided. Nope. It was so bad, that night, I couldn't even disguise the taste with beverages and ultimately ended up having to put my dentures in my pocket while out on my anniversary date. It is the end of January now and I relined the dentures on October 31st. A month later, the taste was still very strong and I found myself only putting my dentures in when I had to eat something crunchy. I was no longer wearing them daily, just to avoid that flavor. Still to this day, I get a hint of that flavor when I put them in, but luckily it has faded enough to where I can disguise it with a piece of hard candy or with food drink. I will say the reliners are firm but comfortable and definitely improve the fit on both my upper and lower dentures. Number 2. Dentemp Reline-It Denture Kit. Are your dentures feeling loose and uncomfortable? Our easy-to-use kit helps you achieve a comfortable, custom fit in minutes, without messy adhesives. It's made with an advanced formula that's both soft and firm, providing long-lasting comfort and a secure hold for your dentures. Enjoy the confidence of a perfect fit. This kit is perfect for both upper and lower dentures. It creates a customized fit, making your dentures feel like new and eliminating irritation. Simply mix the powder and liquid, apply to your dentures, and bite down. The entire process is quick and easy, with clear instructions for optimal results. We're committed to providing you with safe, high-quality products. We stand behind our products and strive to deliver the best customer experience possible. Try it today. What we like? This product offers an advanced formula for a comfortable and custom fit. It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for those who want a quick and simple solution. If you value ease of use and a comfortable fit, this is a great choice. What people say. I did a realign on my upper dentures with this product, followed the directions to AT, and it's lasted 3 months so far with no signs of peeling off. I even soak it in denture cleaner every other day and it's holding up. Another update, 5/17/14, I'm still working this product, redoing the repairs about every 6 months-ish. They updated the instructions to say put both powder and liquid in the freezer, but it doesn't say to put the liquid in the mixing tray first, although that's very important for getting it smooth. Also a pro tip, if you cannot find the mixing dish, don't use a disposable styrofoam bowl to mix it up. I used this to reline very old dentures, a piece had even broken off the side and I was able to make a serviceable repair. It's not going to last for years and years I'm sure, but it did help out tremendously in a pinch. You can do both uppers and lowers at once if you want, I did, and it was not a problem. In fact, it's easier because you know you're biting down properly and you may be able to get away with only using one of the 2 applications in the box that way if you don't need as thick a reline. After that, major improvement in fit and comfort. I don't use as much paste and so far I am at 10 weeks and show no sign of needing to redo the application. Number 1. For Dentures Reline Kit. Are your dentures loose and causing irritation? It's time for a simple solution that provides lasting comfort and stability. This kit is soft yet firm, providing a durable reline that will last for months, even years for some users. Just one application is all you need. It's a simple DIY process that will keep your dentures firmly in place. It eliminates the need for daily denture adhesives, saving you money and time. You can easily maintain a comfortable fit until your next dentist appointment. For over 37 years, it has helped people achieve a secure and comfortable denture fit. It's a reliable solution you can trust. Rediscover the comfort and confidence of a perfect denture fit. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. This durable kit provides a long-lasting solution, eliminating the need for daily denture adhesives. It's designed to stay in place for an extended period. If you're seeking a long-term solution and want to avoid daily adhesives, this is ideal for you. What people say. I find this to be the best denture recliner on the market, hands down. I have very little jawbone left, due to a deteriorating bone disease. And I've tried several other brands over the years, but none of them even came close to the ease of use, quality, or the durability of this product. This liner is fairly easy to use. It does a good job of lining your dentures. Has a strong odor and taste for a few days after use. I've used it before, will last at least a year or longer. Out of the handful that I have tried, nothing has come close to the Reline Kit from Perma Laboratories. No joke. It's kind of a rough taste, and if you have a sensitive mouth it could possibly even burn a bit, but not only does it last for quite a long time, says up to 2 years, but I started an ice eating addiction shortly after I got dentures, so that pretty much made that non-existent for me. The way it will set around the shape of your gums is absolutely amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.